Alright, how you doing? I am Colin and this is Shineautomotive Extra, and this is now where we film what we call the week in Shine, the day-to-day life of what we get up to in the garage, where we post all the clips of us just doing our normal day-to-day stuff. What we're doing right now is we're currently moving all the videos from Shineautomotive over to Shineautomotive Extra. What we've got to do now is catch up over the next 50 odd videos that we'd already done on the main channel. The reason why we're doing this is because the analytics of the week in Shine is killing the growth of the main project channel, which is Shineautomotive. If you haven't seen that, there's links in the description. Let's get these out the way and let's get back onto the week in Shine on this channel. If you don't know me, I waffle, and over on the main channel we have loads of crazy projects, over 450 videos already uploaded. Let's crack on. What day is it?
Monday.
And what are you doing?
Standing.
You're working on
The Fiesta.
the Fiesta, which is a Fiesta Can Lewis flip a car for money build. But we're not filming this bit because he made a bit of a boo-boo. He thought he'd just paint over. He's learning, and now he's getting sanding all his drills down and getting them all painted. A job that was meant to come in has been cancelled this morning, so I'll give you a quick look at the build that we're doing with Car Audio Centre. And Sam today now is going to put all the speakers in, but I've been trimming it all out ready for the funky headlining, but that's all you're getting. That's all you're getting. We had the cars parked out the corner, out the front of the garage for the weekend if anyone wanted to walk past and take some photographs, which they did. So this is Shineautomotive. We are a car project channel, but we also do what we call a week in Shine, which is whatever we get up to in the week, if I remember to film it. That is it. But this Monday is a pretty chilled out Monday because we've had a job cancelled and it's going to get red hot. And I reckon by the end of the day, we'll be in the office doing some office work and cleaning with the aircon on, flat out. Right, it's into the afternoon, right? I got my cowboy hat because I'm cowboying up. And we're just like, everything that I said we were going to do today, we just like thought, yeah, we'll do the most stupidest thing when it was red hot. Sam's in the prison. He is in the prison, right?
Can't get out.
Lewis has got his hat on, but I'm the sheriff this time, and Lewis is the deputy. Oh, Lewis!
What a shame it fell off.
Put your hat on your head. Protect your neck from the sun. Lewis is cleaning, isn't it? This. Even the caps come off.
Yeah,
Look at this. What's going on here? What is going on here? A bit of fabrication. Look at these rams. 2 years ago, we dug across here, and there's wires and ducting all along there and all along there. And we were having a guy coming to wire them up. Electrician is the biggest waste of space going. I hope you're watching this and all, because he doesn't even look in the yard when he drives by. I'll come next week. And we wanted him to rewire all the yard up and everything. So, if any of the electricians are watching and they want to come and wire our yard up, just check our cabling over, because we've had to do most of it ourselves. So we could do with maybe something electrician coming and checking it over and writing it off. Right, anyway, so it's red hot. I'm going to finish welding. Wayne from TEC Products has kindly fetched us a roll of welding over because I thought I'd got the end trap but I'd run out of wire. Look at this. It's brand new, look at that. Whoa. So we're going to weld some tabs on. I've put this bit of box in here. We've levelled the gates up, but we did that last year. And Lewis is finding all the wires that we've had that have been in there for a year and a half, and the bush is overgrown and we need someone to come and trim our bush. The foliage is... Can you trim bushes, Lewis?
Lewis is right in among it.
Eh? Yeah. Come and trim the bush. Right, so yeah, we'll get on and get this welded up right now. It's Tuesday morning. It's not so hot today. Yesterday, like we said, all went peaked on. We've nearly got the gates done at the bottom. We got the water pipe pushed through the pipe that we've put in. So we'll put the power up there and then run the power along there in pipe up there, and then into the fuse box up there. Scored in, just some pads, checking it over. I'm just going to clean the sliders up. The pistons have gone back. I'm assisting Lewis again, watching it, and he's starting to get very good at doing this stuff, aren't you, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's wrong now?
Just trying to get the...
Have you rounded it off?
No, I haven't. I'm just trying to get it out. It started to, but
You have rounded it off, so don't.
Yeah.
Right? We're going to help Lewis get that off. The Skoda brakes are done. We've got this Audi in for a service, and Lewis draining the oil. Lewis is draining the oil.
All over the workshop floor.
You can't swear on a week at Shine. All over the floor.
why can't you just put it on the
Can
bottom
JSF
so it doesn't
redeem
shoot
themselves?
itself all over there?
Lewis, the hint was that the bolt was in that way,
Yeah.
so you thought the fluid would go that way. At what point did you think it was going to come straight down when the hole was pointing that way?
I didn't think it would shoot like all the way over there.
Right, he's just been driving it. It's warm.
Right,
Show me your hands, Lewis. That's it, that's it.
Stop, drop and roll. Through the
Right,
oil,
yeah,
please.
come on.
Yeah.
You know what you're doing now, don't you, Lewis?
Cleaning.
Yeah, crack on. Right, it's nearly lunchtime. We've got a Clio in now for pads on the front because they were absolutely annihilated. I'd like to show you what the front pad had done. They've been thrown away. And John's brought his van in because something's wrong with his handbrake or his caliper at the back. It's a caliper. The pads from the Skoda this morning, that was them. I'm trying to look for the pads for the Clio, but they've gone. Basically what had happened, the pads must have been wrong. One of them was overlapping the disc or not being fitted in right. So when she was moving the pedal in and out, the pad was going rubbing on the outside of the disc. So they're going back together, and we're using the new Silver grease that they've just got out, which we'll show you on the other side when we go to build the brakes up on the copper grease in this. Look at this, lovely. Look at them. Don't get grease all over you, Sam's just said. So there we go. Very nice. Oh, what are you looking confused for, Lewis?
Nothing, I'll still be able to get grease myself. Even with that.
Yeah, go and put the big jacket on because you're going to have to go underneath there. And a big cardboard thing you'll have to work out how it goes. I've never done one of them though, so I won't know.
What's next on the agenda for fixing it?
Yeah.
That look mess free, isn't it?
Right, so that's them pads going in there sorted. This pad had done the same as the other side as well, so that was why we were getting the squeaky pedal as you were pushing on the pedal. Chucking it all back together. It wants a pair of tyres as well, which has been pretty lucky with the tyres. Is it that one? No, even though that's got a bit of wire showing on the outside edge. But look at that there. Been extremely lucky there, haven't they, Lewis? Look at that.
Yeah.
Hey?
Glad didn't put my finger on that.
Yeah, we'll put these tyres on the front. We go steady. That side there. Just put them on in any order at the front. Doesn't matter. And I've checked the back brakes. Drums are going back on, and then we're bringing John's van in. It's not the caliper, it's the handbrake cable there. So we'll bring John's in and put that on for him very quickly. So we've got the Clio outside. Just got to torque the wheels. John's van is now.
Beautiful, yeah. Are they going to work?
Hopefully.
I can't wait for it to post over. Speed drop. Soft open. You ready to see how close this is though? Watch how close this is.
Fail. You failed. Not a bad attempt, like, for your first time, mate. Right, this Clio's got its new tyres on, its new pads on. And it's had an oil and filter as well. And Sam's obviously ploughing on with the gates. This came in for an auxiliary belt, but it's not auxiliary belt. My mate, the Barber's, Kendall's. And it is the bottom pulley. So I'm hoping the bottom pulley will get here in time because I could do with my courtesy car back. So let's get in the garage to see if we can fix this quickly. So here she is. An extremely expensive part. We'll get this slapped on. It's the barber shop man's car. That's his pulley, with the bottom pulley that's obviously annihilated. I thought at first it was the aircon pulley that had gone wrong. So we'll stick that on. And luckily his belt was still under the engine bay. So, and the belt, in all fairness, is in really good condition. So It's not got no rips or anything in that. So we'll reuse that, no problem with that pulley. They're expensive, just shy of £100. There we go. Needs a car, need your pulley. Can't do much without your bottom pulley. Pulley. What day is it, Lewis, today? It's not Thursday.
Oh, Wednesday today.
Oh, Lewis. Right, the Audi's back in because it's coming in for MOT this morning or this afternoon, and we've got a bottom arm to do on that. A front rear arm, if that makes sense. So Lewis is just going to put it up in the air. He's going to take the wheel off, and I think there's a heat shield that needs to come off so we can get to one of the bolts for the arm. Like an aluminium arm, there's a couple of them. Right, anyway, that's Wednesday morning. I'm off to make a brew. Because my hay feed was playing up mega. I'm having a brew. And I might have a quick look at the footage for the Wednesday's upload. Because it is midweek Wednesday when we do this week at Shine. So I actually need to sort my video out for tonight. You won't believe how good this lad has been. He's done that all by himself. He's put that heat shield in all by himself. I've checked the bolts and you could not ask for that to be fitted better. He's put a new centre section clamp in there, which we haven't had it running yet, so hopefully it won't blow.
Hopefully.
And now he's going to put some new pads in it because the pads are just running a bit thin. They're worse on the back side, but you can't really show. So it's having a new pad set fitted and the sliders serviced and the carriers and all that. So yeah, Lewis, put some pads on it, please. Okay. High five. Starting to show that he's a mechanic. Did you order them?
No.
Well, what do you think's in the box at the front of the door? The pads are here, Lewis. Got this little jazz in for sale as well. Little jazz, is it a jazz? It's not even a jazz, is it? No, it's a Suzuki Splash. I'm giving the seats while it's hot. I'm giving the seats a really, really good clean down. The minging. This has been one owner from new. Full Suzuki service history, so I'm getting the seats soaked down and shampooed up. Woo! Minging! Very nice! Minging! Very nice! Bit of a Wednesday delivery. Just been turned upside down. Got a lot of expensive Auto Smart stuff. Really expensive.
No, Col.
Alright.
How was your ass?
Yeah. Sore after you've just robbed me. Lewis, have you finished with that car? There's a man here offering some lollies in the back of his wagon. Do you want one?
I'll go in the back of his wagon.
Come on then. Hurry up.
In return for favours.
Yeah, I don't think so. This is a family channel. Come on, Lewis. Come on. Have you talked that way, look?
Yeah, I'm just putting the caps.
You're putting your little caps back on. Come and get a lolly out the back of this van. Oh, look at him smiling.
Oh, wow.
You're not meant to take lollies from a stranger.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll come in your van anytime.
Oh, you're welcome anytime.
Right, Thursday we've got this Golf in for a service and an MOT. We did the oil and filter last night, in all fairness, before we jumped on. So I'll get it over to MOT, see what it needs. And we need to do some upgrading to the gates to make them a little bit stronger. We've underestimated how actual good them rams are. So there we go, that's what we're going to do today. Right, so we're into afternoon and I've got this new bit of steel in with these big heavy plates that John's made. I took these lugs off and had to place them in better places to match up with the bricks, because if that had landed there, so I've moved that up, welded that there, welded it to the pins as well. I got a cap for the top, notched it out down the bottom just so it stops the hinges twisting as well. Left that tab there, brought that one up there, so I'm going to bang these in now that John kindly give us, because he's a legend. And then we can get the ram on there, but I might try and get this in paint. And then we've got one to go on the other side. Sam's just about to turn the power off because we're going to put a new fuse box in. And then hopefully one of you lot is an electrician, because can we get an electrician around here? No. And then these brackets there, that's a 50mm box section. That'll go on there. So that's strong, that'll go on there. So that's stronger than the flat bit of plate that we had. and it's going to help in the twisting when the rams go out. Very nice. Right, so it's Friday. I just took this Golf back for a retest. I don't know if I mentioned it about on Thursday. I don't know. This week in Shine, the workshop hasn't been that busy. We've had a few jobs that haven't turned up, but we've been so busy doing stuff behind the scenes, sorting out the front gates, sorting out the electrics, just getting a few bits buttoned up. So, because we could really, once we got we fitted a new consumer unit. Well, Sam's we're doing that now. We've got that consumer unit up, and then we need an electrician to come and go through everything and sign it off. And if there's anything we need to do, we might as well just pay the electrician. So if any of you are an electrician out there, watch our crazy videos, because getting an electrician around here, like I might have already said, it's been a nightmare, a tactical nightmare. So yeah, I have no idea if this is the end of the video. No, it can't be. We need to see what Lewis is up to or something. Beef up, because I reckon this will be probably one of the shortest week at Shines going. But there we go. There we go.
Oh, I'll get that through there.
Where's your Shine stuff today, mate?
Freddie's had it on.
Oh, right. That's an excuse, isn't it? Where's your Shine stuff today? Oh, my mum hasn't washed it. Where's your homework? My dog ate it. Strengthening the gates up Mark 6. So there's only one thing I've got to do after lunch, but we're just getting the extra brackets that we've put in to stop the twist. They're bolted to the wall, so we're going to overstretch the gates and weld them up. And that should be that one. Will they meet? Will they meet? Have you tried your sensor yet? You've unplugged it? No good?
Backwards.
Right, it's Friday evening, and all I'm doing is I'm fixing this wing mirror that somebody's badly attempted to do, so I'm just going to try and scuff that off very gently, put the proper glue on, and then leave that overnight, and that is the end of the day. I'm going to go and try and make Sunday's video, so and I'm tired, and the sun's coming out now, and I feel like a beer. So we'll see you in the next one. That's another week at Shine. There we go, that's how it is.